Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're going to be opening the last box for Flesh and Blood heavy hitters that I still had lying around and been putting off for some time now. And maybe I already have 4 boxes of a certain other set from Flesh and Blood, who knows? And we might see it in the future. But first, we shall see what we get from this last box. As usual, I'm just skipping through all the boring stuff. We have a Fatal Engagement, a Clash of Agility, and an Olympia prized fighter, starting off with a Majestic, very strong. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. As usual, 24 packs for Flesh and Blood. And the value is mostly in the special rarities. So we would like to have those. We get a prized Galea, an over the top foil, lead with power. And that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Clash of Might, a Reinforce the Line, a foil Clash of Vigor, and for our second Majestic of the box, a Reel In Ranger instant. Those are of course also usually nice to get, since they're part of a special slot, which includes cards that are not part of a set identity, let's call it like that. A Clash of Vigor here. Cast Bones for the third Majestic. What's going on? For the third Majestic, but that probably means that the next few boosters might be a bit boring. A Rawhide Rumble. And that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. Where we have an over the top, a Wall of Meat and Muscle, down but not out. And that's it here. And on to the next pack. Let's see what it has in store for us. A Clash of Vigor. Our next Majestic, Up the Ante. Olympia specialization. A Big Bob. And that's it here. I mean, if a box decides to be full of Majestics, I'm not gonna complain. But I fear it might not last. We have a Cut the Deck, Battered Not Broken, a Funk in foil. And that's it here. On to the next one. With a Stacked in Your Favor, Down but Not Out, a foil Bone Breaker Bellow. And that's it for this pack. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a Colossal Bearing reinforce the line, foil smack of reality, and that's it. On to the next one. We'll get a run into trouble, a golden glare, a foil Wage Vigor, and I already saw the illusionist frame, a dissolve reality. Nice foiling effect. On to the next one. Where we get a fatal engagement, a ball breaker, a foil starting stake, and that's it. No hesitation. Let's open the next one. And let's see what we get. We get a take the upper hand, a Wage Gold, a foil Clash of Agility, and that's it. And on to the next one. Where we have a Wage Gold, a Clash of Vigor, a foil Lead with Speed, and we get the cold foil of the box Face Adversity. As usual, it's a bit difficult to capture on camera here. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we get a Rawhide Rumble, Lay Down the Law. Our foil is the Mighty Wind Up. And that's it. Well, I did warn you. If we get everything good in the beginning, usually, yeah, at the end it's not that words exciting. That's what I was looking for. So we have a cut the deck here, a Clash of Agility. Sorry for that, I really couldn't think of the word. An edge ahead, and that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a Wage Gold, a Majestic, Runner. Our rainbow foil here is the Draw Swords. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a take the upper hand, reinforce the line, a wallop for our foil, and that's it. On to the next one. Where we have an over the top, the next Majestic, Ripple Away, with a very cool art. Our foil is Assault and Battery, and that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a Fatal Engagement, Knucklehead, a Rage Vigor, and that's it here. And in case, so if anyone is watching who doesn't know those, this one here is basically a token card that you can separate in the middle and then use whichever token you require. If anyone has been wondering what those small 2-card cards are supposed to be. In the next one we have a Clash of Agility, a pack call, an Agile Wind Up, and that's it here. We have 4 packs left to go. Let's see what we get. We get a Cut the Deck, a Rawhide Rumble, a Foil Rising Energy, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. Where we get a Beast Mode, Smack of Reality, an Agile Wind Up, and that's it. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. A Clash of Might, a Test of Vigor, a Foil Blade Flurry. This should be quite a nice hit. And down to the last pack. Famous last pack magic, which usually doesn't work out. But that's because I don't believe in it. We get a Slap Happy, Take It on the Chin, Concuss, and that's it. So, this has been another box opening for Flesh and Blood. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you at the next one.